If you're looking for an easy side hustle that does not require any qualification or degree, please keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glibi. This is Glibi. I'm finally back with another video. And reading the title of today's video, you guys already know that today I'll be sharing a very interesting site. It is based on AI training, but it does not require you to have any sort of qualification. As long as if you have skills, you don't need any experience really. So please keep watching this video. A quick disclaimer, everything I share on this channel is part of my personal experience. If you're interested in finding out what I explore, please keep watching. And if you're uncomfortable with the topic of making money online, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel where I give you guys business ideas, side hustles, just basic things like that. So thank you. I don't want to waste your time, you guys, so let's get straight into this video. The name of the site is called Alignerr. It is an AI training site. On Alignerr, basically, you upload your CV. Basically, you don't need any experience. If you have any skills, you have any interests, please list it in your CV so that they can find certain jobs for you to do. So basically how this works is you upload your CV. I think they also require you to upload your ID. If you're not comfortable with sharing your ID documents or anything like that, please feel free to try other sites or other side hustles that I put on this channel, but definitely it's 100% safe. So once you've uploaded and verified yourself through your ID document or passport, then you'll get onto the site. They'll provide you with AI jobs where you will have an interview with someone called Zara. Zara will ask you questions based on the specific topic. For example, one of your skills is drama, dance, or a talent that anyone could have that you've listed in your CV. So they'll provide you with something that is under that category. So you'll do an interview with Zara that could be from 10 to 20 minutes. Once you've completed that CV and you've passed it, you will then be given projects that fall under that assessment. So basically it's called an assessment. So you first do an interview under an assessment, and if you pass that interview, you'll be provided with projects, and these projects line up from 7 to 9. So basically 9 projects, and each project pays $25. It may differ, but it's 25 minimum going up. They will tell you the specific topics that you'll be talking about during your interview. So please explore those topics so that you know more and you give more when it comes to the interview. So when you get to the Alignerr or Alignerr sites, this is what you'll see, and I definitely recommend that you guys scroll through just to see what it's all about and what you could expect. So they are hiring all skills and domains, and you could be under the term researchers. So this is a gleaming example of what a general dashboard or home page would look like if you are a beginner, basically. And please don't get turned off by the name specialists and experts. Once you upload your CV or your resume, they'll give you something that aligns with what you have written in your CV. So if you have written that maybe you've studied HR, or if you have a skill of maybe drama and arts or anything, basically, I'm just trying to come up with examples for you guys. So as you can see here, you can earn from $20 to $40 per hour. And the per hour, basically, Alignerr works hand in hand with an app or a site called Hubstaff, which uses a timer. It's a timer for how long you spend on a certain project. So that's what it means with the per hour. So this is Zara that I told you guys about earlier. So I will show you guys how Zara or what Zara looks like. And as you can see, when you click on start a certain interview, you'll see that you will have to be on a video chat, but it won't be you and someone else. It'll basically be you just answering. They just want to see that you're not copying anything, basically. So just to give you guys a quick experience of Alignerr, they work hand in hand with Labelbox, where you can start working and earning on that platform. And they also have a Discord community where you can communicate with other individuals that work on Alignerr. Yeah. So these are the different types of assessments that they provided me with. And just to give you a quick glance of the ones that are given to me based on my experience or based on my qualification or skills. When you get on the site, you'll notice that there are certain assessments that are required for you to complete. So it's a requirement for you to complete those assessments, and then the rest are recommended for you. So you can see the certain assessments that you could complete and you are capable of completing or capable of doing a certain interview for it. And I've passed quite a few that are HR related since HRM is one of my qualifications. So as I mentioned, you don't need any qualifications as long as if you have skill of doing something and you have an interest, then you are 100% ready to start your journey with Aligner. Once you're ready, you'll click on Start Assessment, and if your phone asks to allow it to use your camera as well as your microphone, please do allow it. So it'll be like a video chat with your front camera as well as your microphone on, and your volume has to be on high. So this is what a typical interview with Zara would look like. You need to ensure that your internet is at least at 4 Mbps, and if you're not sure what that is, as long as if the internet part says that it's good and it's green, then you're ready to start your interview. Once that is done and checked and it is green and ready for you to go, you will do a microphone test where you'll have to say, "Hi Zara," and ensuring that Zara can hear you on her side or his side, and then the interview will begin. If you come across any issues, you're more than welcome to contact them. They have 24-hour support available for you. So this video is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Aligner, so that means I do not get any payments for this video. But if you do click on my referral link, I may receive a certain bonus. So if you're not comfortable with sharing your ID documents, please feel free to look at other videos on my channel. Not everything that I post up here requires you to share your personal information like that, but I do trust that Aligner is safe. And if you come across the site and you feel as if it's safe enough, please try it out. It will be worth a while. And that will be the end of today's video. If you found this video informative, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I post a video. Until next time, you guys. Bye.